Oh, good morning.
Today we are about to decorate the bookshelves and find some flooring for the house. As you know, we've been living on concrete for quite a while and it's a little dusty and it's getting old. We're gonna go kind of scavenge the DFW Metroplex and find the best deals. Scour. We're going to scour the Metroplex.
Wait, hold on a second. I think Tara's on the phone. Tara? Tara?
Anyways, we are going to scour the Metroplex and find the very best deal on flooring because that shiz is expensive. And while we're at it, we're gonna buy some little things to decorate the bookshelves and make it look good.
Decorating bookshelves is like probably one of the hardest things to do. Ask anybody who's anybody. But I don't know, I'm just looking for like little trinket type things.
As you guys saw from the last video, I did not decorate the bookshelves as good as Kylie would have preferred. I thought I did a good job, but turns out
you did do a good job.
The bookshelves,
it could be better.
Yeah, they're a lot bigger than I thought, so I brought probably like 20, 30 books and they were not enough. So then I put on like some little trinkets, but we need some more books, some more trinkets, and we gotta fill it out a little more. So that's the goal for the day. We got our designer here with us, so hopefully we can get it looking right. Yep, sounds about right. We come places to buy things and we don't end up buying those things. Instead, Kylie looks for clothing. This is exactly what we need for that little space in the back of the living room. There's so much extra room because it's really long, but I just don't know what to put there, so I'm gonna get a dope little tree or something. Oh, this is cool. I need some plants. I like plants. Alright, so Target was pricey, so now
There's a piece of plastic in here for me.
now we're at TJ Maxx / Home Goods, about to get...
There is! Look!
Oh, yummy. Plastic. Now we're got to get the goods from Home Goods. Item number 1.
It's supposed to sit on a table, but I kind of like it. And it's like wide enough to where it'll take up some room.
This is the best find of the day.
No, this is
Oh. Whoa.
the cookie timer.
Oh, that's dope. We found a lot, so I got a cart.
Really rock to like hold up against books.
Oh,
That's
that's cool. The bookshelf is 11 inches per slot, so we had to put a lot of the stuff back. This is going to be a tight fit, but it's awesome.
I hope it fits.
Just got done at Home Goods, secured the bag, didn't get everything, but didn't get not everything. We got some things.
It was just sad because bookshelves are a lot shorter than I thought.
We'll show you us how we decorate it later based on Kylie's design eye, but now we gotta go find some flooring. We're not going to actually buy the flooring today. When we show you the flooring, I want you guys to let us know what you think would look best, because Kylie and I both kind of differ on what we think, and Kylie wants something really light. I think something kind of medium. We'll have to check the prices, and yeah, let's check the prices.
No.
79 cents a square foot. So this is like a medium that I was thinking. Kylie thinks she
lighter.
wants something a little lighter. But for this price, you gotta see what they charge to install. But not a bad deal, 79 cents a square foot.
This is like too gray. I
Now
want a
that's
little more.
very light.
I mean,
Also a
it
good
could
price.
work. Expensive, but it's bigger. This is the color I wanted.
Yeah, this is cool. Piece is mega big. Really much more expensive though. The flooring man at Lowe's is out on lunch, so we're taking our business to Lumber Liquidators. Well, we're gonna do some really cool cheesy but cool little transition. However, Lumber Liquidators was very small. It was like 50 square feet of just tons of flooring and a guy helping us out, so we didn't really want to film in there. I know.
Yeah, he was like around us the whole time.
Yeah, he was very cool, very helpful, but it would have
been weird.
It was such a small place. Yeah, we didn't want to. So, yeah, that was it's expensive. Flooring is going to be a lot more than I thought. It's going to be like $3 a square foot to install, and then probably $2 for the flooring. Oh. So we're still looking around, but it could easily cost 10 grand. So that's bogus. But we can get 18 months, no interest financing. So might have to go that route because living on concrete is getting.
Your boy is poor.
Back at the house. Done with the floor shopping. Like that face. And now trying to decorate this because as you had previously seen, it's just a little bare. So we're gonna add some stuff to it. Voila. So the bookshelf is still very bare. So went home, got a lot more books, and also Kylie's car is locked. Got this cool little piece of driftwood to put on there, which I think could look good. Ah, yes. Got the goods. Doesn't look half bad. So there you have it. There's our bookshelves for now. Still a work in progress, but I think it turned out good. Very pleased with the look, and thanks for watching.